Hello and welcome back to Trinity Stamps. Today we're going to take a close-up look at the Once Upon a Mime stamp and die set. This 4x6 stamp set has 21 pieces in it, 6 of which are sentiments, and there is a coordinating die sold separately that will die cut out each of these 21 pieces. Let's take a look at these images all stamped up. I love that the tiny images all stamped together on one stamp. And now let's see what these cute things look like all colored up. You can color these with the traditional black and white to look like mimes or any color of your choice. Also, those tiny images that stamp together on one stamp die cut together with one die. And there you can see all the pieces die cut out and ready to use. This stamp set coordinates well with the new Cirque stamp set and the Greatest Friend stamp set. Here is a card I made using those pieces colored and cut out, and they're having a little performance on stage. I love this slimline card. And now let's take a look at a couple cards created by the design team using this Once Upon a Mime stamp set. I hope you now have some new ideas for this stamp set, and you can find Trinity Stamps on Facebook and Instagram for more inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye.